Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Dinda Ramadanti, NPM 2241115 from class MNJ 22C. In this presentation, I will talk to you about theory of adaptive leadership. Adaptive leadership is a style of leadership designed by Ronald Heifetz and Marty Linsky to address complex, long-term problems or challenges. It can also help organizations adapt to change. Here are a few key elements of the definition. Adaptive leadership seeks to resolve recurring organizational problems through systematic change. Unlike traditional leadership, which relies on problem solving from a few top-level managers, adaptive leadership enlists the creativity of an entire organization to address challenges. It can function in many different industries and within organizations of all sizes. The adaptive leadership model. There are three key areas of the adaptive leadership model. By implementing these three parts of the leadership model, leaders can make important decisions effectively. 1. Diagnosis. First, it's important for leaders to diagnose challenges by considering what elements of the organization function well and which might benefit from improvement. This can help you determine which elements are important to keep and which you might discontinue. 2. Experimentation. Next, adaptive leaders can encourage experimentation and the development of new process and procedures. They might also allow their teams to take smart risks, to find innovative solutions, to challenge and effective ways for the company to continue its growth. 3. Assessment. After determining new possible solutions, leaders can implement them into the organizational framework and assess their success. They can use what they learn to continue or discontinue new solutions to best benefit the company. 4. Principles of adaptive leadership. The 4 foundational principles of effective adaptive leadership are: 1. Organizational justice. Adaptive leaders create an environment in which every member of the organization has the opportunity to share their opinion. Organizational input is integral to adaptive leadership. This culture of equality and justice is key to implementing adaptive change. 2. Emotional intelligence. Adaptive leadership value relationship. Thus, adaptive leaders take the time to make sure members of the organization feel heard and support during the process of problem solving. This requires a high degree of emotional intelligence, which is the ability to handle relationships with empathy and awareness. Additionally, adaptive leaders check in with stakeholders to make sure they're aware of the proposed change and can provide feedback. Positive relationship. and high organizational morale are necessary for adaptive leadership. 3. Development. The adaptive leadership model recognizes that organizations must adjust and adapt to stay relevant in a complex and ever-changing marketplace. Additionally, adaptive leaders recognize that developing individuals within the organization is just as important as organization-wide change. This leadership style can empower team members to learn and grow through the process of organizational change. 4. Character. Adaptive leaders demonstrate ethical responsibility and morality. They are transparent in their communication style. They also hold themselves to the same standard to which they hold their team. Adaptive leadership traits. A successful adaptive leader should display the following character traits. 1. Goal-oriented. Adaptive leaders link systematic change to long-term organizational goals. They take action with a specific result in mind. 2. Open-minded. Adaptive leaders create an open-minded and progressive environment in which to work. They can accept mistakes as part of the process of learning and growing. 3. Appreciative of challenge. Adaptive leaders appreciate challenge and understand that reaching a long-term solution may take several attempts. They prepare their team members for problem solving. 4. Committed. Adaptive leaders know that change takes time, and they are ready to commit the necessary time to create a better organization. 5. Proactive. Adaptive leaders take a proactive approach, identifying challenges and investing the resources for solution as quickly as possible. 6. Curious. Adaptive leaders are curious. They embrace uncertainty and understand that sometimes lacking an immediate solution to a challenge is part of the process of positive change. 7. Experimental. Adaptive leaders love experiment and troubleshooting. They're prepared to reflect on their work and redirect, and they understand that tackling vague, complex issues requires trial and error. 8. Emotionally aware. Adaptive leaders are as concerned with relationships as they may be about profit. That understanding helps them ensure that organizational members and other stakeholders are supportive of any long-term change.